with a big dog.
No pull.
Thank you, Dr. Paul.
No shot. No horsing around.
Watch it.
Jenny, you're my family.
Jenny's missing.
This is human trafficking. I'm not stopping until I bring her home.
Better than retinol, SK2's exclusive ingredient Patera. See 5 years younger looking skin in 1 week with the Patera regimen. Address more signs of aging than your retinol.
Bueno, primo, ya está listo. Puse la baseta y lo monté yo solito. Dale. Lo que sí voy a abrir es un hueco aquí y lo pongo aquí. Lo pongo atrás del televisor, no se va a ver, para no se vean los platos.
Our new TV mount easily moves around. This is a 55-inch TV. We plan on getting a bigger TV later, but I love how it can tilt forward and back and sideways, and just a simple push back on the TV, and there it is again, flat against the wall. So yeah, we love it.
I love that I can be in bed and still watch TV as it extends pretty far out because of these double extensions. And it was easy to install with the level it came with, so I was able to get it perfectly straight. And the bolts, you know, it comes with a template, so you're never gonna miss where it's gonna be screwed onto.
Keep the momentum, the flexibility as much as possible, you know, in the knee. But it's definitely, I'm not a guy that likes to sit around. Same. You know, I have a lot of...
Bought this TV mount. Holds it up pretty good.